We can't activate Windows on this device as the product key you entered is not valid. Go to the store to buy genuine Windows. Error code 0x C004C004. If you experience such a problem, then in this video let me show you how you can fix it step by step. Okay. At first, click on the Start menu. Here type to such CMD. Right-click and run as administrator. Click on Yes to continue. Enter this code as it is. SFC/scan now. Press Enter. This will start scanning the issue that could be the problem with the activation. So, it will take some time, but wait it until it's done. Now enter this code. Press Enter. This message will pop up. Key Management Service machine name set to KMS8. msguide.com. Now enter this another code. Press Enter. This message will pop up. So now go and restart your computer for the effects to take place. Once you're done, again right-click on the properties of your PC to check if the operating system is activated. So, that's it. Let me hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and even click on the bell icon so that you get to know when I upload such videos on the channel. Have a nice time.